Hello everyone, I am Nasir Hussain, currently pursuing computer science engineering at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today I am going to talk about human heart. Exploring the heart, a journey through technology. The human heart is an engineering marvel. Through the advancements of technology, we continue to learn more about this vital organ. Let's explore the history, current knowledge, and future of heart technology. Revolutionizing heart health, the future of cardiology. As technology continues to evolve, so does our understanding of the human heart. From artificial intelligence, the anatomy of heart, chambers and valves. The heart has four chambers: the right atrium, right ventricle, and left ventricle. Valves regulate blood flow through between these chambers. The cardiovascular system. The heart, blood vessels, and blood make up the cardiovascular system. This system is responsible for delivering oxygen and nutrients to the body and removing waste products. Blood flow. Blood travels through the heart in a continuous loop. It enters the right atrium from the body, flows through the right ventricle, then to the lungs for oxygenating. Oxygenated blood returns to the heart, enters the left atrium, flows through the left ventricle, and is pumped out to the body. How the heart works. The heart is a powerful muscle that pumps blood throughout the body. Blood travels through the heart in a carefully regulated pattern, propelled by the rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the heart's four chambers. The right atrium receives oxygen, poor blood from the body, and pumps it to the right ventricle. The right ventricle then pumps the oxygen poor blood to the lungs, where it is replenished with oxygen. The oxygen rich blood then returns to the heart, entering the left atrium. The left atrium then pumps the blood into the left ventricle, which in turn pumps the oxygen rich blood out of the body. The following diagram of blood flowing through the heart is shown. How the heart works. Your heart is a vital organ. It is a muscle that pumps blood to all your body parts. The blood pumped by your heart provides your body with oxygen and nutrients it needs to function. Your heart is about the size of clenched fist and weighs between 300 and 400 grams. It lies in the middle of your chest, behind and slightly to the left of your breastbone. If you are average body weight and size, your body contains about 5 liters of blood, all of which passes through your heart every minute or so. When necessary, such as during exercises, your heart can pump up to 4 times that amount per minute. The four chambers of the heart. Your heart has right and left side separated by a wall called the septum. On each side of the wall, there is a small collecting chamber called an atrium, which leads into a large pumping chamber called an ventricle. There are four chambers: the left atrium and right atrium, and the left ventricle and right ventricle. The right side of your heart collects blood on its return from the rest of your body. The blood entering the right side of your heart is low in oxygen. Your heart pumps the blood from the right side of your heart to lungs so it can receive more oxygen. Once it has received oxygen, the blood returns directly to the left side of your heart, which then pumps it out again to all parts of your body. An artery called aorta. Blood pressure refers to the amount of force the pumping blood exerts on arterial wall. The heartbeat. Each atrium is connected to its ventricle by a one-way valve. The valve on the right side of the heart is called tricuspid valve, while the valve on the left side is called mitral valve. The familiar lap-dub sound of the heart is caused by the rhythmic closing of the heart valves as blood is pumped in and out of the chamber. The heart rate is regulated by a special cluster of cells in the right atrium, called the sinus node. The sinus node prompts the upper chambers to contract first, then an electrical impulse is sent to a second cluster of cells, which is found between the upper and lower chambers of the heart. The electrical impulse causes the lower chambers to contract. At rest, your heart beats approximately 60 to 100 times a minute. Coronary artery disease, a condition that occurs when arteries that provide blood and oxygen to the heart become narrow and blocked, leading to chest pain and heart attacks. This disease is caused due to fats and plaques. Arrhythmia, a condition where the heart beats too fast, too slow, or irregularly, affecting the body's blood flow and causing fainting and fatigue. Heart failure, a condition where the heart is not pumped enough blood to meet the body's needs. It can cause swelling, fatigue, and shortness of breath. Valvular heart disease, a condition where the heart valves do not open or close properly, affecting how blood flows through the body. Current medical treatments. Medications. Many heart conditions can be managed with medication such as beta blockers to blood pressure or blood thinners to prevent clots. Bypass surgery, a procedure where surgeons create a new path for blood flow around a blocked or narrow artery. Implanted devices. Devices such as pacemakers can regulate heart rhythms while others help to manage heart failure. Technologies used in diagnosing heart conditions. X-rays and CT scans. These imaging technologies can show the size and shape of heart as well as blood flow and blockages. Electrocardiograms, ECGs or EKGs, a non-invasive test that records the electrical activity of the heart, which can help to identify issues with heart rhythm and blood flow. Echocardiograms, high frequency sound waves are used to create images of the heart, which can show valve function, blood flow, and heart size and shape. Technologies used in treating heart conditions. Open heart surgery, a traditional surgery where the chest is opened and surgery is performed on the heart and blood vessels. Stent implantation, a small mesh tube is inserted into an artery to prop it open and improve blood flow. Angioplasty, a minimally invasive procedure where a small balloon is inserted into an artery to widen it and improve blood flow. The respective diagrams are shown above. Future advancements in heart technology. Artificial hearts. Scientists are working on creating fully functioning artificial hearts for those with end stage heart failure. 3D printing. Researchers are exploring the use of 3D printing to create custom heart implants, valves, and tissue replacements. Nanotechnology. Utilizing tiny particles to deliver medicine to the heart and repair damaged tissue. Gene therapy. Therapies that can fix the genetic mutation that lead to heart disease or even grow new healthy heart cells. Thank you. Thank you.